Hey everyone, Dubs here, and this is box break number 48, 11-12 certified from Thursday, August 16th. And here is your list of winning bidders. As you can see there, we got 3 5+ winners: Sean 1989-77, Bummer Boy, and DJ and Ella's mom. So I will get to their 5+ bonuses in just a second. Let me just flip that over. So for DJ Noah's mom, I have a Zach Parise Authentic Fabrics card for her. For Bummer Boy, I've got a Authentic Fabrics card of Sean Horkoff. And for Sean, I've got a Future Phenoms card of Nick Boynton for the Boston Bruins. So that is your 5+ bonus winners. The short straw bonus for today will feature a pair of Columbus Blue Jackets. We've got Jeff Carter, Authentic Fabrics card, and a Derek Brassard, Authentic Fabrics card. So we'll be giving those away at the end of the break to 2 individuals who failed to get a hit during the regular break. And that is our short straw. Today on the roulette board, we'll be looking to give away the Cup autographed rookie patch auto of Nick Spaulding, and that'll be the orange 50 chip, and the green 25 chip will be a Greg Nemish Phenoms rookie card from Limited. So to take a look at the board here, we've got a green on 33, green on 28, green on 24, orange on 22, green on 16, orange on 11, green on 6, and green on 0 and 00. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on this beautiful wheel, we will give away the associated card that comes with the number. And if both cards get spun, we will give away the higher value of the 2, which will be the Cup. So here's our box of certified. And before we would get going, we will be spinning the wheel and giving away a free team for the Winnipeg Jets Gnome free team. So here's our wheel, and here's the first spin of the break. And we've landed on a number 23. So 23, jumping over to the bonus board. Team behind number 23, who will be taking their team home for free, will be the Phoenix Coyotes. And the Phoenix Coyotes were owned by Saber Sean. So congratulations, Sean. You will be taking home the Coyotes for free. So I'll refund them to you at a later time. So without further ado, here's our box of certified, and the serial number here is NE93885961. And because it is an 88 box, I am anticipating something awesome. But only time will tell, and we'll see what happens. So there is our box. Checklist out of the way. There's all of our cards. Empty box. And let's do this thing. So good luck to everybody. And hopefully we can pull some great stuff. Up front we got Camilleri for the Canadiens, followed by Smith for the Oilers, Pavelek for the Jets, Tavares for the Islanders, Spacer, and Halak for the Blues. So all base to start off. Things can only improve from there, right? And we got Kiprusoff for the Flames. And Lundqvist for the Rangers. And Thomas for the Bruins. And we've got a Masked Marvels card, Kari Lehtonen for the Dallas Stars, and Casualty 466, which brings us to our first strike bonus. So Casualty, congratulations, you have the first strike, so you will be taking home a pack of Score on top of your hit. So congratulations. I'll just write your name on this pack. Casualty 466. So there you go, bud. I'll ship that one off to you as well. So Kari Lehtonen for the Dallas Stars, and that one is not numbered. Spacer and Henrik Sedin at the back to close off that pack. Then we have Antropov for the Jets. And Bergeron for the Bruins. Koivu for the Wild. Then we've got a freshman signatures card of Matt Fratton for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And that is going to Crowlicious. So congratulations, Crow. Nice rookie for you. And a Spacer. And Parise for the Devils. And then, in the next pack, we have the fortune of seeing Pacioretty for the Canadiens, Backus for the Blues, Kane for the Blackhawks, and a red mirror parallel, Martin St. Louis for the Tampa Bay Lightning, and DJ and Ella's mom. And that one is numbered 180 out of 199. Have to see in the black there 180 out of 199 in the glare. So that'll be going to DJ and Ella's mom. And then a Spacer, and at the back we have a Antoine Vermette for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Next pack. And we've got Shane Doan up top for the Phoenix Coyotes. Followed by Glenn Cross for the Flames. Niemi for the Sharks. Eric Fair for the Winnipeg Jets. And for the Dallas Stars again. And Casualty 466. Numbered 60 out of 150. It is a mirror red dual jersey card of Louis Eriksson for the Dallas Stars. So there you go, Cass. Another one there for you. Black and white jersey swatch. And then we've got Cam Fowler for the Ducks. And then Fisher for the Preds, Stretch Carter for the Jackets, Getzlaf for the Ducks, and a Certified Champions card, J.S. Jaguar for the Anaheim Ducks, and Sean 1989-77. Nice Certified Champions card there. And that one is numbered, low, 10 out of 25. There you go, 10 out of 25 there for you. So nice hit there for Sean. And a Spacer. And closing off that pack, we have Ilya Kovalchuk for the Devils. Then we got Schneider for the Canucks. Lehtonen for the Stars, Quick for the Kings, Crosby for the Penguins, and numbered 106 out of 499. For the Colorado Avalanche and Sean 1989-77, we've got a die-cut rookie of Gabriel Landeskog autographed. So there's a very nice hit there for you. So congratulations, Sean. Nice hit. Nice hit. And closing off that pack, Logan Couture. So there you go, dubs88 box. Reigning true. So then we got Patrick Sharp for the Blackhawks. Patrick Sharp for the Blackhawks. Whitney for the Coyotes. Backstrom for the Capitals. And then we've got a retro throwback card of Gary Bromley for the Vancouver Canucks. And that one is going to 4570 Outkiller. Nice oldie on there. And that one is not numbered. There you go, Justin. Spacer and David Booth for the Panthers. Two packs to go. And we got Molson for the Islanders, Markstrom for the Panthers, Vanek for the Sabres, Richards for the Kings, Spacer, and Eriksson for the Stars. And then our last pack. Hopefully we'll hold another beauty. Unless that's a spacer. Guess we'll see. Van Riemsdyk for the Flyers. Lupul for the Leafs. Fleury for the Penguins. Eriksson for the Senators. And we've got a card numbered 29 out of 150. Out of 150, and it is for the Toronto Maple Leafs. It is Luke Shen. It is a mirror red dual jersey card for the Toronto Maple Leafs and Crow Alicious. So another hit there for Crow. And closing off, we got Hossa for the Blackhawks. So that is the regular break of certified there. So congratulations to everybody who got a hit. And now we will transition into the bonus segment. So, first off, we will take a look at the prize board. So we will spin the wheel, and then we will choose a spot on our prize board and give away the prize behind that. So here's our spin. And that is number 1. Number 1. So behind number 1, we have a Young Guns card of Eric Condra. We will pull that card. Wait a second. I don't have that card here. I think I gave it away. So we'll spin again. Whoops. I guess that one failed to get deleted. That's a go one. So our next spin is number 10. So number 10 will be an Artifacts rookie card of Cody Hodgson, which is a significant jump up from the Young Guns card we would have otherwise given away. So there is our card, Cody Hodgson, Artifacts rookie, 541 out of 999. So we will jump over to our bonus board, and we will spin that to see who's going to be taking that one home. and it is number 4. And Team 4 is the San Jose Sharks. So congratulations to J-Dubs. He'll be getting that coho. And now we'll be taking a look at our short straw bonus. So there's the 2 cards. So here's our teams at the bottom that hit cards during this break. So they are not important, so I'll just shove them off to the side. And in my very new bionicle triangular shaped thing that my hand actually fits in, we will be putting the rest of these chips, and we'll be pulling out some chips to see who's going to be taking away those no-hit bonuses. So we will shake this thing around, and the first chip will be for the Derek Brassard. So here's the first chip, and that one will be going to the New York Rangers. And the New York Rangers were owned by DJ and Ella's mom, so that one will be for you. And the Jeff Carter will be going to the Chicago Blackhawks, and the Chicago Blackhawks were owned by also DJ and Ella's mom, so taking home the pair. There you go, Aaron. And now we'll be jumping over to the roulette bonus board. So we'll take a look to see if any of those things got hit. Number 4 and I'm just going to 1. So far, these are the numbers we have spun. 23, 1, 4, and 10. 23, 1, 4, and 10. So 23 is a miss. 4 and 1 are both misses, and 10 is also a miss. So to give you guys a little bit of an extra chance, I will spin this thing 3 more times and see if we can get you a card. So first up is 28. 28 is a green chip. So we'll at least be taking home the Nemish. We'll spin 2 more times just to try and get that orange. And we've got 13. And 13 is a miss. And 1 more time. And 10. So 10 again, and 10 was a miss. So we will be giving away the Greg Nemish Phenoms rookie card. So we will spin the wheel once again, and then we will reveal the team, and they will be taking that one home. And that is number 25. And 25 is the Calgary Flames. And the Flames will be taking home the Flames, and the Flames are owned by DJ and Ella's mom, so congratulations, Aaron. That one will be taken home by you. Alright, and to close off the break, we have our very tangled in the cord. We have our increasingly full bingo boards. So we will pull 6 more marbles to see if we can fill this thing up and break an extra box for you guys. So there's 1, 2, oh, marble flew, I'll pick that one up. 3, 4, 5, and down under here, there's the marble. So that one is number 6. Alright, so let's get started and see what we can do for you guys. It's getting, I got 10 minutes left till the 30-minute mark, so I think we have plenty of time. First up, G48. There we go, G48. And G48 gives us a hit here, hit there, a miss there, and a miss there. Up next we have the marble B7. So B7, we got a hit on board 1 there, a miss there, and a miss there, followed by N32, and N32 gives us no love on board 1, no love on board 2, and no love on board 3. 3 marbles to go, and we're looking at I-27 here. So I-27, that is a miss on 1, a miss on 2, and a hit on 3. So that gives us another 4 in a row there. Followed by marble number N41. And N41 is not looking good on 1. We got one down at the bottom on board 2. And nothing on 3. And the last marble, what's it going to be? It is an N45. And N45 is blank on 1, blank on 2, and blank on 3. So we missed the bingo in certified. We'll see if we can hit it next in SPX. So that is the break for this evening. That is the certified break this evening. So congratulations to everybody who got something, and I hope you guys have a great evening.